So in the last video we discussed of solving these two layers. So in this video we're gonna solve the top layer. So we're gonna fill these yellow pieces here. So that's what I'll be doing here today. So that is called OLL. Then the last layer and solving these edges and corners will be in the last move, which is PLL. So let's start. So in this first scenario we'll have a line. So if you're having a line like this, put it like this, it'll be facing horizontally. So like this. This is your front side, this is the side you'll be holding, and it should face like this. So then do this move. So the algorithm will be written in the top. So that fixes it. So it made a cross on top. So that'll be the first step. So I'll show you some other scenarios too. So in the second scenario you'll have a L or something else. So if you're having an L right here, so if you're having an L and if it's like here or here, move it to this corner. So move it to this corner like here and do this step. So same algorithm as before but a little bit different. So you do this, you move it two. You will move with two pieces and move it together. So F move will be with two pieces. So that's gonna make a cross, the fish shape. So I'm gonna show you another one too. So the third scenario you'll have nothing solved, so it'll be none solved here and only one dot. So do this algorithm to fix that. So it goes like this. So that made this L. So it is just combining two moves and that's gonna make the cross. So here a lot of pieces are solved. So we are halfway done. So now we have to do is arrange these corners. So I'll show you some scenarios. So here I have one type. So it is like these corners are facing opposite direction. So it's facing this direction and the yellow piece is facing the other direction. So for this, move this to left side. So this huge block will be on the right and do this move. So hold it like this. That's what X. X means moving it and putting it like this. And now let's do this algorithm. Very easy, very simple. So that's gonna solve this whole part. Then in another scenario is that if you're having this fish shape, most of the people will have this fish shape in the starting itself. So if you're having this and check. So check the blocks here. So in one of the edge, so it can be this or this. If the yellow piece is putting like it's in the front, so here it is not, so it's like this, so we can move it. So here it should be like this. So you could see it should be like this. So we have it in the left side. So if you have in the left side, we'll do this then. So we go like this, we move it easy then, and we do it this and we do that and done. So I'll put that on the screen so you could see the algorithm. I'll do it again if you want. So move one, again down, again move, again up, two times anywhere. So if you do this direction or this direction, it's gonna be same. So that's gonna be solved. So like that. So that creates other thing. So right now it's facing this direction. So now it's in the right direction. And so here when I mix it up, it's in the right direction. So here it's simple same thing but the right hand. So up, one, down, and move it another way, and again up, and two times this way, or if you want two times this way you could do, and bring it back down. So I was gonna solve these two. That'll be the two fish cases. So fish shape cases, that's done. So let's move on to another scenario. In another scenario you'll have this case. So here we have two of them facing in the same direction and two not facing in the same direction. So if you have it like that, then do this move. So up two times, so like move it two times again, then move it backwards one. This is kind of confusing, but when you get hung of it, it's easy. And then do it. So then do it two times. Like from here, move it two times, then move it one more time. Then so you could see like when it comes here, you know how to align it. You can just move it here and align it, and that solves it. So this is another scenario. So here the same thing, so I'll be pointing outwards and these two will be pointing outwards too. So if that happens to you, so do this move. So what to do is move it like this, repeat this 3 times and moves up. So that solves it. So I'll make this yellow half solved. So this is another scenario, so where you have one facing like this and another facing like this. So it'll be the 2 pieces will be gone on top, and you could see, so arrange it like this, so this will be, you could see both of them one in an angle. So if I arrange it like this, I can't see anything. So I like this, arrange it like this, then do this move. So here what I have to do is move it down and move this, move it back up, move this, move it back down, move this towards, and move this up and move this back down. So this will be a version of the screen, so you could see that solves it, and that's going to make this layer the yellow layer. So there's one more thing, so it's the last scenario, so I'll be discussing that later. So that's going to be one of the hardest. No, hardest means it's kind of hard to by heart, so we'll do that. So this is the last scenario, so this is kind of hard. So when two of them are facing towards you or like facing in the same direction, so do this. So keep it at the front, so like this, and do this algorithm. So after doing that, it'll be displayed on the screen. So after doing that, you'll have this yellow piece solved. So this yellow part will be solved. So that's OLL basically. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to solve these pieces. So this is simple steps. So it's very easy OLL method. So if you guys like this video, hit subscribe and leave a like down below. So see you guys in the next video.